The word koya, we use it when talking about going to the mountains, keeping a dog, or storing tools. 小屋、山に行くときや犬を飼うときによく使います。It is used as a noun. The word koya means a small, simple building or shelter, sometimes for people and sometimes for animals or tools, like a hut, shed, kennel, coop, or stable. 小さくて簡単な建物、人が休んだり、動物や道具を入れて守るための場所です。The first kanji means small or little. You hear it in chisai, the basic word for small. It also appears in shōgakko, the word for elementary school. Think of it as shrinking the size of things. The second kanji means roof, building, or shop. It shows a place where an activity happens, like in yane and honya. It often names types of stores or places. Picture a covered place where people do things. We will stay in a mountain hut. 山小屋に泊まります。山小屋に泊まります。I built a doghouse. 犬小屋を作りました。犬小屋を作りました。I wait for my friend in front of the hut. 小屋の前で友達を待ちます。小屋の前で友達を待ちます。The hut is small and old. その小屋は小さくて古いです。その小屋は小さくて古いです。The most common synonyms of the word are monoki and naya. Monoki focuses on storing tools or boxes. Naya is a farm building for equipment or animals. Koya is broader and can be for people, tools, or animals. The most common antonym of the word is gote. It means a very large, luxurious house, the opposite of a small, simple shelter like koya.